everybody. This is Jessica from Castle Farms Gift Shop. We have just received a bunch of new products for the gift shop, and I thought it would be fun if you could join me to help me open all of these, or at least some. We're gonna start with this one right here. This has some fun local items in it, specifically for Charlevoix. Oh! Packing peanuts. Don't tell the housekeepers I did that. Oh, look how fun. These are so much fun. Check these out. Lake Charlevoix hand towels. Michigan's my home. Charlevoix is my happy place. It certainly is mine. I don't know about you guys. Let's get all those packing peanuts out of the way. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, fun coasters. Okay, let's see what we've got. Mitten Smitten. Oh, colorful Michigan. Lake Charlevoix, where life meets lake. Another Lake Charlevoix to match the towel. That's all for this one. Let's try another one. All right, let's try this box. Switch that over. This should be an adorable teapot. Even ladybugs on the boxes. Oh, here's the top. And the bottom. How cute is that? That one aside. Let's see what else we have in here. Some cute little unicorn fantasy cups. And a perfect little gift for a friend. All right, let's see what this one is. More ladybugs. Cute little ladybug mug that matches. Just like the unicorn mugs, we have this beautiful dogwood and butterfly mug, perfect for gift giving. A couple boxes in this one. Let's see what we've got. Beautiful little butterfly and dragonfly on the top of this one. And how pretty is this? Ready for more ladybugs? If tea's not quite your thing, how about a glass of wine? All right, let's start on our next box. These are my favorite things. They're costumes. And then we have some dresses. So I got some brand new dresses this year. And these come in various sizes. We have our classic Cinderella. But then we do have one more brand new one this year. This is the Rapunzel. How cute is that? Next box. So excited about these. Misha Minis. These are little candies in the shape of Upper and Lower Peninsula, Michigan. Misha Cinnamonies, which are cinnamon flavored gummies. And Misha Gummies. These are also in the shape of Upper and Lower Michigan, but these are just like regular gummy bears. Oh, I got a UP. So good. Should have a little bit of everything in here. These are some scarves. Nice infinities. And here is a beautiful blanket with birds and flowers, little garden scenes all over, and it has an amazingly soft backing on it. Oh, this is gonna be super warm and snuggly. And cute little box. And a little angel necklace inside. Oh, fun. Some tutus and some matching tiaras. Finger beans, those are always super fun. And tiaras, different colors. Got some wands. Comes in different colors. Got the blue. We've got a purple and a red and a pink. All right. Well, thank you everybody for tuning in, and I hope you got some good gift ideas or maybe some ideas for something that you want for yourself. And we've got a lot more coming in. This is just the beginning. So come on into Castle Farms Gift Shop and see the rest in person. Have a great day.